So, good morning, guys. Today, I will show you outsides. So, we're having a bad weather yesterday or last night. So, I'm gonna put my robe. So, we're having a blizzard last night. So, I will show you outside, guys. I will show you outside if what's going on outside. So today is December 24, so Christmas Eve. So here's the outside. See that? Look at guys. Look how thick the snow. Look at that. And it's blowing everywhere. It was so windy outside yesterday, but not really today. Oh, look at that. Look how thick the snow. And see that. So this is Britt, Iowa. See? So later we're gonna have to play in the snow. Oh, look at her. She's eating. Did you eat the snow? Did you eat the snow? So yeah, so cold outside. I love snow. Yeah. Okay, one more. See that? Oh my god. So this is our life in Brett during winter. It's fun when you are just staying in the house. But if you are working and wanna go outside, it's not fun. Oh, look at Zia. Alright guys, that's it for today. See you later.